Papaya soap can be a gentle and effective option for various skin concerns. It is popular for its skin benefits due to its natural ingredient, especially papain. Welcome guys, today we are making papaya soap. And so one of the main ingredients we'll be using for the production of this soap is papaya, which I've already peeled behind the camera. So I'll start by measuring out the amount of papaya we'll be using for the production of this papaya soap. And so I'll be measuring out 445 grams of papaya that I'll be using for the production of this soap. And after measuring out the papaya, I'll transfer into a blender and blend smoothly. You don't have to add water to the papaya while blending because we are using ripe papaya which already contains some amount of water. And after blending the papaya and it becomes smooth, transfer into a bowl and set aside. And next I'll be bringing in my glycerin based soap base. I'll be cutting them into cubes so that they can dissolve easily. And so I'll be using 665 grams of glycerin based soap base for the production of this soap. If you want to learn the step by step of making this soap base, please check the video card above or you can access it in the description area or at the end screen of this video. Papaya soap can be used to lighten dark spots and acne scars. The exfoliating properties help in removing dead skin layers, revealing brighter and more even-toned skin. The natural ingredients in papaya makes it suitable for those who prefer less chemical-based skincare products. And after cutting the soap base into cubes, transfer into a container and take to the heat for double boiling. So I'll go ahead and place the bowl on the boiling water. Stir the soap base at interval until it is completely dissolved. Papaya soap can also be beneficial for those with skin conditions like eczema. It can also soothe irritating and inflamed skin. And now that the soap base is completely dissolved, I will be adding the papaya to the soap base. Stir together until it is properly combined. As you can see from the video, I'm still double boiling the soap base while adding the papaya to it. So I'll double boil and stir together for about 2 minutes until it is properly combined. And after mixing the soap base and the papaya and they are well combined, I'll remove from the heat and next I'll be adding 0.5 tablespoon of papaya seed oil. And after adding it, I'll stir together. And after adding the papaya seed oil, and next I will add to it 4 capsules of vitamin E oil. Papaya soap help in reduction of skin blemishes. That is, it can help minimize the appearance of blemish, including sunspot and age spot, by promoting cell turnover and reducing skin discoloration. Papaya soap also has anti-aging benefit to the skin, so regular use of papaya soap may reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines due to its skin renewing properties. And after adding the vitamin E oil capsule, we stir together. Next, we transfer into a mold. So I'll fill the mold with the papaya soap. Leave for between 5 to 6 hours for it to solidify. But for quick solidification, you can put in a refrigerator and this solidify within an hour. Please, if this is your first time of seeing my videos, I want to say thank you so much for clicking to watch. Kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that when I upload new videos, you'll be notified. To all my amazing returning viewers, I want to say thank you so much for your great support. I appreciate you so much. God bless you. And after filling the mold with the soap, I'll set aside. And this is like the 5th hour. As you can see, our soap has solidified. So next, I'll be removing them from the mold. And now we have our papaya soap ready. As you can see, it came out very beautiful. Papaya soap can also help retain skin moisture because of some additional ingredients like glycerin, which help to enhance skin hydration and keep the skin soft. And now that you have learned how to make papaya soap at home and also some of the benefits, I guess you'll be trying this out. Please let me know how it came out for you in my comment section. And now that our papaya soap is ready, we are going to be testing the foaming ability. And so I'll wash my hand with it. As you can see, as I wash, it comes with a great lather. And please kindly like this video and share with your loved ones. Thanks so much for spending your time with me. See you in my next video. God bless.